Nature is interesting to my senses. There are so many sounds. Rustling leaves, chirping birds, running creeks, the crackle of old branches on rocky paths, and at the same time there is always a quiet that seems louder than it all. I love hiking in nature because I get to enjoy the work of God's hands in a way that feels ancient. In my modernized world with its rapid advancements and constant changes, it's away from the city that I think about the past. To think that this is where civilizations before me were caught up in the mystery, hearing the same sounds and sensing the same quiet. I leave nature with a different perspective, amazed and humbled to think of the strength and creativity behind it all. It's the perspective I want to hold on to when the inevitable anxieties of my mind seem stronger than the power of my God.